Hey everyone, the Asus ROG GR70 marks a significant milestone for the Republic of Gamers lineup, being the company's first small form factor gaming PC powered by AMD. It brings together cutting-edge performance and a sleek, space-saving 3-liter chassis that caters equally to hardcore gamers and creative professionals who demand both speed and style. At first glance, the ROG GR70 stands out for its compact design. Measuring just 280 by 180 by 60 millimeters, it's impressively small for the level of power it delivers. The build quality follows Asus's typical ROG standards: premium, sharp, and functional. The system's front-facing ports make connectivity easy and clutter-free, while the body features subtle yet bold gamer-centric design cues. Despite its minimal footprint, it's packed with an extensive array of I/O options. The inclusion of 2 DisplayPort 2.1 outputs, 2 HDMI 2.1 FRL ports, Thunderbolt 4 with DisplayPort 2.1 support, 6 USB 3.2 Gen 3.2, 2 Type-A ports, and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port ensures wide compatibility for multiple monitors, high-speed peripherals, and modern accessories. There's also an RJ45 LAN port, Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, a 3.5mm audio jack, and even a Kensington lock for added security, clearly designed with both mobility and practicality in mind. Inside, the ROG GR70 demonstrates Asus's engineering finesse. It houses 2 SODIMM slots that support DDR5 RAM, offering users the flexibility to configure the system for heavy multitasking or high-performance gaming. For storage, there are 2 M.2 2280 slots, one supporting PCIe 5.0 SSDs for lightning-fast data transfer speeds, and the other capped at PCIe 4.0. This dual-slot setup provides both speed and capacity, ideal for storing massive game libraries or large creative project files. The beating heart of the ROG GR70 is AMD's Ryzen 9 9950X3D processor paired with an GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU. This combination offers a compelling balance between raw performance and thermal efficiency. The Ryzen 99955HX3D, equipped with AMD's 3D V-Cache technology, delivers outstanding gaming performance by significantly boosting data access speeds. This results in smoother frame rates and reduced latency in CPU-bound titles. On the GPU side, the RTX 5070 ensures high-quality visuals, ray tracing, and excellent performance across modern AAA games at high settings. Together, they make the GR70 more than capable for 4K gaming, video rendering, and simultaneous streaming tasks. Performance aside, the system also manages to keep noise and heat under control. Asus has likely utilized a custom cooling solution that ensures stable thermals without excessive fan noise, which is particularly important for a small chassis like this. At launch, the Asus ROG GR70 is available in China for $2,113, positioning it in the premium segment of compact gaming PCs. Asus has not yet confirmed pricing or availability for international markets, but given its design and performance profile, it's poised to appeal to enthusiasts worldwide once it becomes available. In summary, the Asus ROG GR70 successfully blends portability, power, and refinement into a compact gaming powerhouse. It's a statement product showcasing how far small form factor gaming systems have come, capable of handling intensive gaming and creative workloads while maintaining an elegant and efficient design. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.